Hello.
As the torch enters our venue, May's flame symbolize the passion and determination that burn within every athlete.
May this flame remind us that every victory begins with courage, every achievement begins with hard work, and every champion begins with a dream.
Nakuha ko magandang picture. Gauna ka na.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the flame of Igbaras Municipal Meet 2026. We now acknowledge the student leaders who continue to serve as examples of responsibility, leadership, and service in our schools.
For the SELG President, we recognize the district's SELG Federated President.
For the SSLG Presidents, we recognize student leaders representing Alameda National High School,
Igbaras National High School,
Dalawan National High School,
Sabadao Integrated School,
Tale Dalayan Integrated School,
and Igbaras Integrated School. Let's give our student leaders a warm round of applause.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the lighting of the urn.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, witnessing the lighting of the urn.
Let's give a big round of applause to our student leaders and our athletes.
Once again, a round of applause to our Igbarasmon champion as well as our student leaders. A well-deserved round of applause.
We have now reached one of the most significant moments of our opening ceremony, the message and formal declaration of the opening of the Igbaras Municipal